Welcome to Kiddo Magic, your guide to spelling rules in the English language. Today we are going to start at the absolute base, the alphabet. First we have to get our children to identify the alphabet from A to Z, both in lowercase and uppercase. To reinforce this concept, I am suggesting a few alphabet activities. We will be using either wooden or plastic letters. Even flashcards would do. First, we have them place the alphabets from A to Z in a sequential order on the table or the floor. They must do this in a semicircle. Placing them in a semicircle helps because you can see all the letters at a glance. So first we start with what comes after. While the letters are placed in front of them, they will answer the question. To which letter comes after H? I. Which letter comes after Q? R. Once they're fluent, then you move on to the concept of before. Which letter comes before K? J. Which letter comes before P? O. The different scaffolds in this activity are: first, they should have the letters in front of them, and then they do it without any visual reinforcement. Another activity that I would suggest is to take the wooden or plastic letters, blindfold the child or ask them to close their eyes, pick one letter at a time. They have to feel it and name the letter. This is a fun game that children really enjoy. Whoever guesses or names the maximum number of letters is the winner. Knowledge of the sequence of the alphabet helps them a lot in the long run. Next, we move on to keywords and sounds. Keywords are words which reminds us of the sound of the alphabet. And remember, when we say the sounds, we do not have to add the sound. Let's dive right in. Apple, A. Bat, B. Cat, K. Dog, D. Elephant, E. Fish, F. Gate, G. Hat, H. Igloo, I. Jam, J. Kite, K. Lamp, L. Mat, M. Nest, N. Octopus, O. Pig, P. Queen, Qu. Rabbit, R. Sun, S. Table, T. Umbrella, A. Violin, V. Wind, V. X-ray, X. Yarn, E. Zebra, Z. Although I have presented this in the sequential order, you must practice this in a random order. You can take a printout from the attached document. Let's discuss the sound of V and W. V has the sound of V. We bite our lips when we say the sound V. But W has the sound of V. Our lips are rounded for this letter. Following this, once the keyword and sound are very fluent, we do an auditory review. Here we say the sound and the child must say the keyword and write the name of the letter. So if I say S, the child will say sun and write S. The knowledge of sounds and its fluency is extremely important. This takes us to the next step of reading. Now we have to just blend through the vowel and finish. Ma, n. Dip, sa, n. Hot, pla, n. Step, clip, mend, test. Let's go back to practicing the keyword and sound. I will display the screen and you are going to say the keyword and sound. Practicing this regularly will really help you in your spellings.